Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Stripe to accept payments for insured services, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Stripe, start by visiting the Stripe website at stripe.com. Click on the Start Now button on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, choose to create a password. Confirm your password and then click on Create Account. Next, check your email for a verification link from Stripe. Open the email and click on the verification link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Stripe website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Stripe dashboard. Now, click on Activate your account to begin the registration process. Fill in your business information, including your legal business name and address. Select the type of business entity that aligns with your operations. Enter details about your industry and the services you offer. Provide your business tax ID if applicable. Next, you'll need to enter your personal information, including your name and date of birth. Now, add your banking details to set up where your payments will be deposited. Provide valid routing and account numbers for your bank. Stripe may ask to verify your identity with a government-issued ID. Upload a photo of your ID as instructed. Once you've completed the information, review everything for accuracy. Click on Accept and Continue to submit your application. Your account will be reviewed by Stripe, which may take a few minutes. Upon approval, you will receive a confirmation via email. After approval, log back into your Stripe account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with available features. To start accepting payments, integrate Stripe with your website or app. Follow the integration instructions provided in the Stripe documentation. Configure your payment settings according to your business needs. You are now set up to accept payments for your insured services through Stripe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.